Hello, good day. Welcome to another class. In today's lecture, I will be taking you on how to adjust your phone time zone to any state or any time zone in the world. Presently, we are dealing with United States and United Kingdom. So, how to do that? What you do is you locate settings on your phone. You open this, go to where you have set. Follow me, please. Settings on your phone. This is my settings. Hold on. Settings. This is my settings. Click on to it. Now once I click onto it and now scroll to where you have systems, the last part of the phone list. Now you can see systems. System. Click on it. System. Now you can see languages and input. You can see date and time. You can see system and navigation. So where we are going to is date and time. Click on date and time. Now at every point in time, for the purpose of this business, your auto set time must be always off. As you can see mine off. So you click on it, you can see use network provided time, you can see use GPS provided time, you can see off. So you let it always be on off. It is off. Now you can see date. The date is okay. Now the time is okay. Now when you scroll, you see use locale default. This use local default should always be off. As you can see, it's toggle from to left. Now if I click on this, it's on. But for the purpose of this lecture, it has to be off. Now, the 24 hours, I use 24-hour format. Normally, I use 24-hour format for on my phone, so I always leave it on 24 hours. That's the way I use my phone. So you can leave it on 12 hours or you can off it for it to be on 12 hours as the case may be. That is not necessary. Now, what do you do now? You check your set time zone automatically. Normally, every phone is always programmed this way for it to be always on. That's it. Toggle from left to right. Just the way you have this use 24 hours format being on blue. Now, it should always be off. Now, the last part now we are going to is where we have select time zone. So you click on select time zone. Wait for it to open. Now, in this, these are the list of all the time zones in the world according to my device. But for the purpose of this lecture, we are dealing with United Kingdom. So I need to locate for United Kingdom. I scroll to where I have can see it, London, Dublin, with a time zone of GMT plus 0100. So that is what I will be making use of for this lecture. You click on it. So once you click on it, underneath the select time zone, you see GMT plus 011 British summer time. Telling you now your time zone now is now programmed to be what on British summer time, meaning that your present time zone now is now working in sync with London or any part of United Kingdom. Now, if you want to repeat the same process for maybe United States or any part of the world, you go back to select time zone. You now scroll to where you have either uh, any state in London. For some phones, you can see the list of states in London, like New York, New Jersey, Las Vegas, Los Angeles, as the case may be. But on my own device, I'm having what I have here is I have a different time zone for United States. I have Washington DC. So if I click on Washington DC, which comes with time zone of Eastern Daylight Time, which is a time zone of GMT 0400 plus 0400. Now, if I'm to go back to my screen, see what the time zone will be telling me. So it means that right now in United States, their time right now is 0911. That's 11 minutes past 9 in the morning. So presently now, United States are they are they are presently in the morning in United States. So now I need to go back, scroll back to where it came from. You have some settings. Hold on. So go back. So you can go back to your set time zone back and return it back to our initial time zone, which is London. Now For the purpose of this video, on my own device, I have Washington DC, and I also have Eastern time. This Eastern time works for all devices, always on all devices. So if you don't have Washington DC on your phone, or any London, any United States station on your phone, you can make use of Eastern time. Eastern time also the same thing with uh, the Washington DC, or any part of United States time zone that you may pick with. So you can see Eastern time at that number. So you can make use of that. If you don't have any other location in United States for your device, you can make use of Eastern time for United States. So I scroll back to my London, look at my London where it is, scrolling to where it is. So that is London, Dublin. Click it back. So once you have done this, it should always remain like this at every point in time. You don't have any reason to change this time format for the purpose of this business. So this is how you can change your time zone from any part of the world that you are in to the next country time zone. Thank you and have a blessed day.